This is SP Subramaniam, father of SP Shankar. He is 10 years old. Shankar has been cubing since the age of 4, and he has also attempted few world records. One feat is solving most number of Pyraminx while suspended upside down, and another one is most number of Pyraminx solved while on roller skates. Both are recognized. Now he has just attempted another feat, that is maximum number of Pyraminx while swimming, and he has solved about 7 Pyraminx while swimming continuously for 3 minutes 10 seconds. I hope this is recognized by IBR, will be recognized by IBR, and I wish him all the very best.
I'm a gym instructor and a swimming coach. Shankar has been trained under me for the past 2 years. For the record attempt, we created a mini tank at home, and he has been practicing underwater cubing from last 3 months. On the event day, Shankar has solved 7 Pyraminx in under 3 minutes. He is perfectly fit and fine during and after the event. I advise others not to do this stunt unless and until there is a professional and adult supervision. Thank you.
Super talented kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent, a proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide, an opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet and greet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com, and for more details call 9646 803875 7973 222208. Super talented kid, one in a million.